Here is how to frame your Raeesa Studio Nikah certificate. Before you start, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver with the PH2 head. Start by removing all the packaging. Then flip your frame over. Remove the inner screw on each end. We're only removing one screw from each bracket on one side of the frame, so you'll have two screws. Keep them aside, we'll need them later. Next, pull out the frame rail. The clips will fall during this process. Make sure to remove and collect all the clips and keep them aside. Then, pull out the brown board and plexiglass. Make sure all the clips are removed. Here is everything that is included with your frame. Next, peel the coating off on both sides of the glass. Then, place your certificate on the brown board. Clean your glass and place it on top of your contract with the brown board at the bottom. Then, flip your frame over so the rounded edge is facing up. Slide the board, certificate, and glass into the frame's front edge together. Be gentle. Remember to insert all the pieces in together. Sliding the glass in separately could potentially scratch the certificate. Now, flip the frame over and insert the frame rail into the back edge. Here is a closer look at the back edge of the frame. Then insert and tighten those two screws we had removed earlier. Add the clips between the brown board and frame. The clips apply gentle pressure to keep the artwork pushed forward. And now your certificate is framed and ready to be hung up. Congratulations on your nikah. May Allah bless your marriage with happiness, peace, and many more special moments to come. Ameen.